Hi folks, today we're going to be talking about converting numbers out of scientific notation. Hopefully you've already seen the video on converting numbers to scientific notation. The process for converting them out is basically the opposite of what we just did. So a couple of rules. If the power of 10 is positive, then we need to move the decimal point to the right the power number of places. So the decimal point is going to be moved to the right, the number indicated by the power of 10. Now, if the power of 10 is negative, we're going to move the decimal point to the left, the power number of places. So here are a couple of examples. We've got this one right here, 8.1 times 10 to the negative fifth power. We converted that to 0.00081. And the way we did that, was we started with 8.1. And we decided we need to move this decimal place over to the left, the number indicated by this power right here, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With the decimal place right there, we can fill in the number of zeros that's appropriate. And right here we get the exact same answer, 0.000081. Another example. 1.2 times 10 to the 8th. This time we're going the opposite way. We're moving the decimal place, instead of to the left, we're moving it now to the right, because this is a positive power of 8. So in this case, we start out with 1.2. And we're going to move the decimal point to the right 8 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We then fill these gaps up with zeros, and we have our new number. Good idea as well, once you've done this, to kind of start inserting your commas. If you made this really large number, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and we see that this is 120 million. Now, a couple of problems to work through. 9.3427823 times 10 to the 4th. We're actually making this number bigger, 9.342, and the rest of the digits need to be made bigger. This time, we're going to start out 9.3427823. We know it's 10 to the 4th power, making this number larger. The way to make this number larger is to move the decimal point to the right. We're going to move it to the right 4 places. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This makes this number 93,427.8023. All right, next one. 3.704 times 10 to the negative 6th. When I see that this is a negative power, I know that the number needs to become smaller. Smaller numbers have their decimal places shifted to the left more. So I'm going to shift this number's decimal place to the left 6 places. 3.704 is what I start with, and I move to the left 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Filling these gaps up with zeros, I have a new number, and that is 0.00003704.